Here we are in Jackson, Michigan for the third stop of the PBA Tour of the 2022 season, and it's gonna be a better week because for the three of us, honestly, could not be worse. We're gonna go find some food, head over to the bowling alley, today's practice session. Chris has the pro-am, so I'll have the camera in hand for contento. Our bananas got cold. Are they hard frozen? Oh my god. They look frozen. They're brown. They're not frozen. Alright guys, well before we get started with the rest of the video, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It helps us out a lot, and I'm pretty sure more than 50% of the people that watch these videos are not subscribed, so it helps us out a lot. We really appreciate it. Also hit the like button for the algorithm because I heard that helps as well. So the more we grow here, the more the community grows and the more fun and giveaways and cool stuff happens. Yeah, let's go. Practice session, we gotta unload the balls and it's cold outside. All I've lost is found. But when you're not. What's up, locals? How's it going?
Good.
They asked to be in the vlog. What you guys say?
We drove like an hour and a half.
Mids are in? I'm not seeing mids on your feet.
Dudes, bro.
That's cool. You guys come to watch a bunch this week, or here for the day? Here full time? Just today? We came the wrong day. It's practice day.
Well, we figured we wouldn't want to like interrupt you guys when you guys are like
well, I mean, you could watch. You don't. I mean, obviously you don't have to interrupt us, but I mean, you don't get to see the chairs fly, the pencils break, and everyone dropping F-bombs.
Shake the screen.
Yeah, and maybe that's the key. He ended up winning.
Hold up the trophy.
Look at all the balls. These are Mikey's, Chris's, and I's. A lot of balls. Literally the worst part about this, with it being cold outside, is we gotta unload the car. We made 3 trips and it's obviously a lot of weight, but we don't know what we're throwing, so we gotta bring them all. Second line for the Pro-Am is nuts. It's out the door. It's not warm outside. Chris has to bowl the Pro-Am. Mikey and I do not. Speaking of Chris, we can't find him, so we're gonna go check the PBA truck, which is literally almost the only other place he could be. Oh, there's Chris. He's putting in the work. Both Chris's. We got Prater and Pie. Working hard. The two strongest guys on the tour.
Hey.
For those of you new to the channel, this is where all the magic happens. Uncle Jim collects little balls. And that's where the magic happens. This is where we win. Not on the lanes. Okay. A party of Chris's. Fast pitch for Chris, UFO for Chris, and then whatever Chris wants.
Hey.
Well, that's your little mini tour of the PBA truck. It's a resource that we use quite often. And you know what we always say, if you ain't drilling, you ain't trying. If you're out here at a PBA stop and you ask us for bowling balls at the beginning of the week, it's probably not the play. So those of you that are dedicated and stay the whole time till the qualifying round's over, match play's over, the show's over, it's your best chance to get a bowling ball from a professional bowler. Just saying. Chris is bowling the Pro-Am right now. We have no idea where he is.
He's right there.
Oh, he's right in front of us. We got back from eating dinner. It looks like they're in game 3, so they should be done pretty soon. All right, I made a mistake. When Mike and I left, we came back to the hotel room. I brought my backpack up, had the extra batteries, battery died. But anyways, tomorrow we start our 12 games of qualifying, 2 blocks of 6 at 11 a.m. I know that doesn't make any difference on the vlog, but 2 blocks of 6, we're about on 37 feet. Urethane is probably gonna be going down the lane a bunch. We're gonna do what we can. Mikey's gaming. We'll catch you tomorrow for qualifying. Bye! Hit the subscribe button, please.